We need to safeguard not only credit cards or financial information, but also our client's email or our login details, or SEO spammers who can use our site to send malware to others. So, in this video, I will show you how to protect and safeguard your WordPress site from hackers. First, we need to log into a WordPress site, and next, we need to search for iThemes security plugin. You can see here more than 1 million users have already installed it. So it is a very good and legit and worthy plugin. So let's install and activate it. Next, we need to click Security tab. And next, Settings here, which will enable all these features, and any unauthorized login into our site will be notified to us to our email we mention here. We can log out of our WordPress site and again try to log in with false login credentials. Now again we can log in with our true login details and view the logged in details under Logs tab below Security. You can see here the log data and the IP addresses of the person who tried to log into our WordPress. This video shows how to protect and safeguard your WordPress site from hackers. Like and share my video, and please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get updates on new content. Thank you.